Hi guys, so in this video, I'll show you how to change the name of Bitly link. So first is open Bitly and click create new. Then click the link. Enter the long link by pasting it. So you can create a title but it is an optional. Then after that, you can save it. Now that you have your own link, you can customize or change the link name. So just click the pen or the edit icon and you can edit it. So after that, you can save it. So now that you have your own customized link, you can now copy and share your link. That's all guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Bye!